Good morning to all of you. I'm Dr.Lata Agarwal. Today we will study of BA Part 3, Paper 1, Modern Indian History on topic Uprising of 1857, its nature and character of the revolt. Historians have held divergent views about the nature of the outbreak of 1857. British historians like K. Melson, Trevelyan, Lawrence, Holmes have painted it as a mutiny confined to the army, which did not command the support of the people at large. A similar view was held by many contemporary Indians like Munshi Jivanlal, Moinuddin, Durgadas, Bandhu Upadhyay, eyewitness of Bareilly, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, and others described it as a religious war against the Christians or a racial struggle for supremacy between the black and the white. Still, others describe it is a struggle between Oriental and Occidental civilization and culture. A few describe in the result of Hindu-Muslim conspiracy to overthrow the British rule. Some Indian nationalists have called it a well-planned national struggle and as the first war of Indian independence. Sir John Lawrence and Seeley thought it to be a sepoy mutiny and nothing more. Elia reads that the revolt was a war of fanatic religionists against Christians, a war of races as a struggle between the white and black. Some English historian led by T.R. Holmes popularized the view that the revolt of 1857 was a conflict between civilization and barbarism. Sir John Southey and W. Taylor described the outbreak as the result of Hindu-Muslim conspiracy. Benjamin Disraeli, a contemporary conservative leader in England, described about it a national rising. He contended that the so-called mutiny was no sudden impulse but was the result of careful combinations, vigilant and well organized, on the watch for an opportunity, the decline and fall of empire are not affair of greased cartridges. Such rebellion are occasioned by adequate causes and accumulation of adequate causes. Early national leaders looking for ideas to arouse national consciousness among the people. Recently, two distinguished Indian historians, Dr. R.C. Majumdar and Dr. S.N. Sen, have made an exhaustive study of all available records, official as well as non-official. The two scholars differ in their interpretation of the event of 1857, both of carefully planning, nor were there any mastermind behind it. The mere fact that Nana Sahib went to Lucknow and Ambala in March-April 1857 and the struggle started in May of the same year cannot be regarded as evidence that he planned it. Another Indian scholar, Dr. S.B. Chaudhary, in his book Civil Rebellion in the Indian Mutinies 1857 to 59, has confined his attention to the detailed analysis of the civil rebellion which accompanied the military insurrection of 1857. The Marxist interpretation of the revolt of 1857 as the struggle of the soldier peasant democratic combined against foreign as well as feudal bondage, which failed because of feudal betrayal, goes off the mark. Thus, the revolt at 1857 was basically anti imperialist, and both the sepoys and the civilian wanted to throw out the imperial ruler. It must, however, be pointed out that loyalties at best were regional, and one factor which played a big role in preventing the movement from succeeding was the fact that the Bengalis and the Biharis did not look upon the Punjabi and Maharashtrian and the Tamil Nadu as constituting a single nation. Thank you.